It's time for a glitter cardstock tutorial. I'm using the Cricut brand glitter cardstock, but anyone will do. Let's hop on over to the computer. On Cricut Design Space, go ahead and upload any design or SVG font you would like. I have a tutorial on how to do this if you're not too sure how to upload something onto Cricut Design Space, and we're gonna go ahead and make it. So it's just set to basic cut like anything else would be. Go ahead and select make it. My Cricut is already turned on, so we're good. And I'm just gonna skip down to the glitter cardstock one. So that looks good. We're gonna hit continue. Now I'm gonna wait for my Cricut to recognize. Perfect, we're good to go. And step is setting our base materials. So you're gonna go to browse all materials, which is right up here. Click on it, and then in the search, you're gonna type in glitter. You could probably type in just glitter cardstock, but there it is. Select that. I even star it because I use it quite often, and then select done. Now it is selected. I like to go in and change it to more pressure. The next thing I do is for regular cardstock, I usually use my blue light grip matte, but for glitter cardstock, I use my standard grip green matte because I want it to be on there really well. So it's time to get the matte ready to go. Lay the protective sheet, put that aside, grab your glitter cardstock, and you're gonna put it with the glittery side up. Again, like I said, this is the Cricut brand one, but whatever one you want to do, I lined it up so it's just kind of like adding vinyl, and I want to make sure it's on there really good. So I press it down. I don't want it moving anywhere as I'm cutting it. Okay, now we're ready to load our Cricut. Let's go. My Cricut is prompting me to load it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then press go once it's ready. Away we go. Once it's done, go ahead and unload your mat. Bring it over to your table and let's take a look at it. Flip it upside down. Put your hand over the glitter part of it. Oh, I want to keep that. And start peeling away. Slowly. You can even use your little spatula if you want. And there we go. A lot of the part that you should weed will just be stuck to the mat if you're using the same mat as me, the standard grip one. So we're just going to continue doing that until it's all up. Slowly, because I don't want the middle of the letter to come up. Go. So that's how it cut out. I'm going to put my project together now and show you the final result. It was super easy to cut out, but I'm going to show you the final. Here's the finished product. It's super cute, and I just love using glitter vinyl, so hopefully that helped. And you saw what settings I used and all that. Follow for more Cricut tips and tricks on YouTube and TikTok, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting!